guys, I designed a photo before, a photo of KFC, this particular photo, and I received a lot of comments from it. Some are good, some are not that good. All right, those that are saying it's not good for children to eat KFC, this is just a photo. Now I've designed another photo for you, and this time around the children are angry with the KFC, so they prefer their cereal than the KFC. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, comment and share. Enjoy watching.